learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。为什么要因为我肚子饿了。
又肚子饿了。
I'm hungry, and I feel like this episode we're going to teach you how to cook up a Hakka dish. Now it's summertime, so I don't know what might Leo have for us on our menu here. 现在是夏天哦，那我知道客家美食里面有很多是炖汤的，有没有什么比较适合夏天的炖汤啊？Is there any soup-based, Hakka cuisine that is appropriate for summertime?
当然有啊。
有什么？
咸臭炖给汤。
很咸哦。
不是，一点都不咸。
不咸是什么？
它是仙草炖鸡汤。
仙草 that is my favorite dessert. 仙草 the grass jelly. But wait a minute. 仙草不是甜点吗？
也是可以把它弄成咸的东西啊。
对啊，我通常都是饮料啦、刨冰啦，我都会满一份的仙草在上面啊，怎么会在汤里面出现？是可以的。
那个仙草它的功能就是比较它推否，然后又可以解油腻，所以呢，我们把它煮成鸡汤的时候呢，又既清凉退火，然后又解油腻，你看多好啊
I just learned something again. I thought the grass jelly is used for desserts, but actually you can use it in the soup. It kind of balances the taste out. Actually, according to herbal Chinese medicine, grass jelly actually cools you off a little bit, so it's great for summertime. Let's see how we can make this, all right? 所以到底怎么做这一份仙草炖鸡汤呢？
我们要准备仙草干、咸臭干。
Oh, there's dried grass jelly that you use here. Okay, 所以有所谓的仙草干这个东西。
对。
怎么说？
咸臭干。
咸臭干。Okay, that's the dried grass jelly. 然后里面应该还要掺比较主要的成分，当然有。
对啊，里面会有鸡髀，然后我们准备一只鸡髀。
鸡髀，这是鸡
腿。
鸡腿。只要鸡腿就够了哈。
对。
Okay, so put in some chicken legs.
然后再加那个姜嘛，
姜嘛，对不对？Some ginger as well, and then simmer it. 要好好的炖它，对不对？
是，我们就先把仙草干把那个汤汁给炖出来，然后捞起来之后呢，然后再把那个鸡腿啊、鸡髀不用放进去，然后姜嘛不用一批放进去，然后再加点盐，这样子炖一炖之后呢，就可以吃了。
All right. Again, using the grass jelly as the base for the soup. Simmer it for a little while. Put in the chicken, the ginger, and add some spices, and you have a delicious simmered grass jelly chicken soup ready for you.
咸臭炖鸡汤。
咸臭炖鸡汤。Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna have some real soon, and that does today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.